Hello everyone. Today we will start HTML from class 7th book, that is chapter number 9. In last two videos I have revised you some tags and elements that you have learned in class 6. I have also revised how to write down the HTML code. You will use either Notepad, WordPad or MS Word to write down the HTML code, and how to save it. Always save it with the .html or .htm extension, and how to open it with the web browser. Now today we will start list from chapter number 9, and if you have any doubt in the class 6, you can revise the class 6 book, or you will see the videos of the class 6 also. So list, what is the use of list? A list is used to representing information in a precise manner. It helps to make important points and explain it more clearly, so it is used for the visitor's attention. Like here we are using MS PowerPoint to make it representative, to represent it in a precise manner. Same thing, list is used in HTML to represent the information in a precise manner. There are various kind of lists available in HTML. So we will learn in this chapter unordered list, ordered list and definition list. And we will also learn how to use one list inside the another list, that is known as the nesting of list. So first of all, we will start with the unordered list. This list is used when the items are not to be displayed in any particular order. It means that order is not important. We can define the list using the UL tags. UL means unordered list, and it is a container element, so we will use both UL on and off tags. The UN tag indents each item in the list and adds bullets against each of them. This tag is used to add the bullets against each item, and to add the item in unordered list we will use new tag, that is li tag. This list adds the bullets against each of item, that's why it is called the bulleted list also. Now how to add the items in a list? For that we will use li tag. This tag is used to display list items, and by default if you not change the type of bullet, then it will display the items with a solid circle. There are various options available like circle, square. You can choose any type of bullets. We can change the bullet type using the type attribute, and type attribute is used with UL tags. Now remember that li is empty tag and it is optional to close li tag. Remember that if it is not working in some browsers, then you will close the li tags. Now I will show you the example of unordered list I have written in the Notepad. So this is the example of unordered list. Here HTML, then head, title, and here title I have given example of unordered list. You can give any title, and title close, then head close, then we will start body. Remember this thing is common, only title you can change, and whatever title you will give, that will display on the top of web page. Now here body BJ color I have given green, so it will display your whole web page in the green color. Then font size that I have given 9, you can give any 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 44. Then color red, so it will display all the font in 9 size, and all the font color is red. Now sports, this is our list. Sports, that is our list. So after that we will use UL, that is unordered list, and its type is circle. Here this is a type of bullet. We can use a bullet of type circle. Now if you want to use a type of bullets square, you can change square type here. So remember type, that is the attribute of UL tag. So here from here you can change the different kind of bullets. Now these are the items. You can write any items like cricket, football, basketball, badminton. To write down the item, we have used LI tag, list items. LI, that is used to display the items. And after that, I have closed the UL tag because it is a container element, and then close the font tag, and then close body, and then close the HTML. Remember that in HTML, which tag you will open first, that will be closed in the last. It means that is in the default method, last in, first out. So here HTML that we have started, and HTML we will end at the last. Body we have started before the font, so it will be open and after HTML. So this is the HTML code. Now if you want to save it, you can save, and then you can save. After saving, remember that to save this file you will use extension .htm or .html. Now open the location where you have saved. I have saved here web page on the desktop. If you want to change the location, then also from here, from file, you will choose the save as. This window will appear here. If desktop is not written, then from left hand side you can select the desktop also, and if it is not appearing, you can choose any disk like local disk, any kind of disk, and save. Remember here, give the extension .html or .htm. Then click on save. Here it is already saved, so click on yes. Now close it and open it. Here this is your web page. Now if you open it with web browser, and if it is not opening with the web browser, you can right click here and you can select the open it with any web browser available. So here Firefox I am using. Now look at this. Here I have given BG color green, so everything is come in the green. Then sports, this is our unordered list. Then cricket, football, basketball, badminton, these are the list items. So this way we can make the unordered list. So try it at home, and next video I will show you how to use order list. Thank you.